Do you ever find yourself tossing and turning, counting sheep and staring at the clock, unable to drift into dreamland? We've all been there. But worry not, because we've got 5 proven tips to help you fall asleep fast and enjoy a restful night's sleep. We've also got 3 invaluable bonus tips waiting for you, and they're absolute game changers when it comes to falling asleep quickly and staying asleep soundly. So I encourage you to stick around until the end of this video, because these bonus tips could be the key to your best night's sleep yet. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these gems. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Chill out your sleep sanctuary. Did you know that a drop in temperature signals your body to produce melatonin, the sleep hormone? According to a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, the body's temperature naturally decreases as part of its preparation for sleep. Keep your bedroom between 65 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit to create the perfect sleep environment. Say goodbye to restless nights caused by a stuffy room. Tip 2. Ditch the digital distractions. Your smartphone might be your constant companion, but it's also your sleep's worst enemy. The blue light emitted by screens messes with your melatonin production. Fun fact: the average person spends about 90 minutes a day on their smartphone, often scrolling through social media or watching videos. By leaving your phone outside the bedroom and resisting the urge to use it before sleep, you're not only improving your sleep, but also reclaiming precious time for other activities or relaxation. Tip 3. Banish the ticking timekeepers. Clock watching can be a nightmare when you can't sleep. Remove clocks from your bedroom, yes, even that one on the wall, and free your mind from the tyranny of time. Replace them with a screen-free alarm clock or keep it facing the wall. Tip 4. Embrace biphasic sleep. If you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night, consider adopting biphasic sleep. Instead of tossing and turning, get out of bed for a while. Engage in light activities like gentle stretching or reading. Break your sleep into 2 segments to accommodate your natural sleep pattern. Tip 5. Play the alphabet game. Can't quiet your racing thoughts? Try this fun and effective technique. Pick a letter, let's say B, and think of as many words starting with that letter as you can. Baby, basket, bowling ball, banana. Then move on to the next letter. It's like a mental workout that helps your mind relax. It's a creative way to ease into sleep without the need for medication or other sleep aids. So next time you're lying awake with a racing mind, give it a try and see how quickly you drift off into dreamland. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. The 3 bonus tips for achieving that elusive deep sleep. Bonus tip 1. In the evening, steer clear of large meals, alcohol, caffeine, and smoking, all of which can stimulate your body and disrupt your sleep. Bonus tip 2. Reserve your bedroom exclusively for sleep. Avoid working, eating, or watching TV in bed. When your brain associates the bedroom solely with sleep, it becomes easier to fall asleep. Bonus tip 3. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, but avoid vigorous workouts close to bedtime, as they can activate hormones that keep you awake. By following these tips, you can conquer sleepless nights and welcome sweet dreams. Remember, quality sleep is within your reach. Try these practices, and may you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Here's to a night of rejuvenating rest. Sweet dreams. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your sleep success stories in the comments below. We're here to help you on your journey to better sleep. Thanks for watching.